Yeah, it's a cool tractor, huh? I mean, not a tractor, lawnmower. Lawnmower, yeah. Cool lawnmower. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Those are the buttons.
What's this do? That's
forward.
That's reverse.
And reverse. Yeah. Let's get your hair out of your way, baby.
Mommy, on. And on.
Look at all these cool buttons. Let me see. That's forward and reverse. That goes front, forward, and backwards.
Look, a stop sign.
Yeah, and there's a stop sign.
What is it? Look at that.
Oh, wow. Where are you going?
Oh my
Cool lawnmower.
Do y'all want to go get money?
Oh, wow. There's water? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't touch the water. It's dirty, baby.
Did you say hi? This one was the free that one?
Yeah. There you go.
The tractor supply.
Oh, wow. You found some dinosaur treasures? Yeah, that's the dinosaur's head. We're playing pretend. Right, we're playing pretend finding dinosaurs. Yeah, it's got teeth. And a shark. Yeah. Chandler, what are you looking for? Oh, wow. Let's see. What are we looking for, Rob?
Dinosaur bones.
We're looking for dinosaur bones. Do you think we're going to find some more? Huh?
I'm a construction site.
We're at the construction site finding dinosaur bones. Yeah. Rob's construction site. Yeah. Chandler, what are you looking for? Is Chandler looking for dinosaur bones too? What did you find? Oh, wow.
Dinosaur bone.
You're looking for dinosaur bones? Are we finding any?
In this hole.
Okay, let's keep digging.
Is it in this hole?
In this hole.
Look.
Oh.
What's that?
Is that some more dinosaur?
No, it's a plant.
Oh, okay. That's a plant.
What's that?
That's a plant.
And here. Mommy, it's that. I'm digging. What? I found something there.
Oh, wow.
What?
Look, guys.
What? A baby dinosaur bone.
A baby dinosaur bone?
What? A baby what?
Well, that's so neat.
Bye.
Chandler, say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.